Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Groundhog Day, February 2nd. So, yeah, don't getting stuck in that loop thinking it's the same thing every other day. It is Groundhog Day, is what it is. Hey, what's looking on here today on the news? We had U.S. average hourly earnings came in greater than expected. So that means earnings are up for the average person. And non-farm employment change was huge, 353,000 versus the estimated 187. And then the previous was revised upwards as well. So really bullish news on the labor market, and the unemployment rate expected to be at 3.8 did not rise. It stayed at 3.7 from the prior month. So very, very bullish numbers. So, of course, the market reacted in the opposite way, which means they didn't like it because that means the Fed is not going to lower rates anytime soon. 10 o'clock, we have the revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, as well as factory orders and the revised University of Michigan inflation expectations. That is a red item. The consumer sentiment is a red item, so be aware at 10 a.m. Looking at the chart, so first things first, overnight we went up and touched the high from yesterday, which was very impressive day yesterday. And we are currently going to gap above yesterday's close, but that news was definitely such good news that it was bad news, and so it may come down. We may end up not actually gapping up, but at least right at this moment, it looks like we're going to gap up. Where could we go? Well, we have a low volume node that's around 49.76. That's a potential. It's easily within range. Maybe a bit higher up is right under 5,000 at 49.9875. So that's definitely within range on the top side. On the bottom side, that low volume node, which was the low overnight low, 49.33, certainly easily get there. And we might actually be able to get down into the 49.18 area. Of course, the 4,900 is a big, big number. I don't know if we can get down there today or not, but it's certainly within range. So those are your sort of where could it go up or down scenario. Looking at the intraday 60-minute chart yesterday, very impressive day. And this is interesting, is that in after hours trading, we definitely went up higher. However, the inventory did not show that. So there is some, there is something going on, a disconnect here between after hours price action, after hours inventory. I'm not going to say too much. Otherwise, it was correlated during the main session. So it is what it is. Looking at the intraday, wow, boomerang, pow. Yeah, that was the good labor news on the labor market that the market did not like. Ugly, 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 nasty looking move. Before this, we had a relatively, we had say 50 to 60 or 14 points overnight action, very low volatility until that news item came in. So now we have overnight action or pre-market action of 64 to 33. So that's about 30 points, which is well above average for volatility. I expect today to be volatile due to the 10 o'clock numbers as well as these 8:30 numbers. So where is support and resistance? You can see, let's see, on the resistance side, once we start getting up in this is getting into uncharted territory. 5,000 is definitely 49.80, 5,000, and 5,020. On the downside, it's a little bit more defined. We are right at support, 49.35, 49.09, 75. I would round that up to 49.10. And 48.71, very defined resistance, or I should say support. very defined support, and even more as you go on down, 48.27. So good support underneath, very little resistance on the top side. So there you have it. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 61.9. So Friday, first Friday in February, positive 61.9% chance the market will go up based on historics. That's from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day. See you guys on Monday. Remember to comment, subscribe, most importantly, and like. Have a great day. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.